In today's video, I'll be showing you the highest paying remote jobs that hires from all over the world. These jobs are high paying and they're always hiring, or there are always businesses or companies looking for people with these skills throughout the year. Also, these jobs are very perfect for beginners. So if you're out there and you're searching for remote jobs as a beginner, this video is perfect for you, and make sure you watch to the end. In case you're new here, hi, my name is Sarah. If you're a returning subscriber, welcome back to the channel. Do not forget to subscribe and give the video a big thumbs up and hit that like button. The first job is freelance writing, guys. This is my main job. I am a freelance writer. When I started working remotely, I started off as a freelance writer. Also, according to the research, freelance writing is the most paying or the highest paying remote job that anyone can do at the comfort of their house and live comfortably. There are two types of writing. We have academic writing and article writing. You can start with any and end up doing the two like I do. I started off with article writing. I transitioned into academic writing, and right now I can easily do academic papers or write articles and blogs. The only thing you need to start off as a freelance writer is competent writing skills. You also need a computer and you also need internet connection, guys. You cannot do this on your phone. I insist, you cannot be able to do freelance writing on your phone. As a freelance writer, you can be able to earn anywhere between 1,000 to 5,000 USD in a month, and if you're very competent or you're able to find very high-end paying clients, you can be able to make more than that. And guys, freelance writing is not hard. It's very easy to get job sites such as Fiverr, Upwork, and if you're in the US, you have an added advantage on you're in UK and Canada. So if you want to start off remote working and you do not know what to do and you want to make money faster, you should start off as a freelance writer. And especially if you're in the US, UK, those third world countries, it's very easy for you to become a freelance writer. However, even the other people from other countries, you're still able to make money via sites like Fiverr. Fiverr is one of my favorite sites, you all know, and other like Upwork and Freelancer.com, Guru.com. The second remote job that's high paying and you can do it from just anywhere is becoming a virtual assistant. Guys, right now, since COVID, virtual assistant is a thing and is an industry by itself. And what is that? When you become a virtual assistant, you'll be helping business people or just anyone with their admin stuff. So you need to have admin skill, you have to have great communication skill, you have to have great management skill, and sometimes as a virtual assistant you need to have social media management skills. As a virtual assistant, and especially as a beginner, you're able to earn between $10 to $45 per hour. However, as you progress and advance and you know where your skills lie or where your strongholds are, you are able to earn more than that. My first gig as a virtual assistant, I was paid $150 US, and that was a good thing because I was a beginner. So when you're starting out, you can earn somewhere between maybe 100 to 150 or 250. But as you progress, and especially if you're in the US and you're paid in hours, you can be able to make as much as possible. One benefit of being able to work as a virtual assistant is you can be able to work for 1, 2, 3, or even 4 companies at a go. You just have to be able to manage their timing and make sure you deliver everything on time. And guys, virtual assistance is not seasonal, and you're able to find companies are always hiring individual people, creators, and different types of people. Small businesses are always searching for virtual assistants and social media managers. So my next job that you can do, or the next remote and high paying jobs that are always hiring, is becoming a social media manager. Some people confuse between social media management and becoming a VA. When you are a VA, you can also do some jobs like bookkeeping, but as a social media manager, your role is very specific to manage the social pages. I also have done social media management, and it's my second best remote job that I have ever done. It just involves handling social media pages. So if you're working with a company or you're working with a business, those people are going to give you their login, and you're going to manage each and everyday activities such as posting, stories, creating a strategy, and many other things. Social media management, I love it because it's very easy and anyone can be able to do it. And the only hard thing when it comes to social media management, but it's not hard, is creating a strategy. If it's a business, you have to come up with a strategy on how you're going to sell the products, on how you're going to bring in people into the business. Also remember, you are not there to create content. So most of the times these businesses will create content and send it to you so that you can be able to arrange it and come up with a strategy, a working one. So your job is very easy. They create the content, they send it to you. Your job is just to post and schedule and be able to come up with a very strong strategy. As a social media manager, if you're here in Africa or live in Kenya, you're able to earn between 10 to 20,000 maximum. However, if you're in the US or UK or even Canada, you can be able to earn more than that, up to $1,000 in a month. And guys, if you have 1, 2 or 3 clients and you're being paid, let's say $750 per client, that's over $1,000 a month, and that's good money. To get the social media management jobs, it's so easy. You can easily find them on LinkedIn. That's my #1 site. You can also find them on Fiverr. You can also find them on Upwork and all the other open remote job sites. For instance, Remote.ly, you can easily find them there. The next high-paying remote job is becoming a transcriptionist. Transcription is very easy, and I know it's famous and many people are talking about it out there. But guys, yes, as a remote worker, when you're starting out, you can easily make money as a transcriptionist. It's just very easy. It just involves changing audio or conversation in an audio into written text. And usually, on most of the time, these are conversations or just one person talking, and you're given and you told them to type whatever they're saying. To become a good transcriptionist, you need a computer. You also need good listening skills. You also need good typing skills. In transcription, payments depend on the type of the audio. We have one person talking, we have 2 people, and also the minutes. We have 1 minute, 2 minutes, 10 minutes. So you're paid according to the number of minutes and also according to the number of people talking in the audio. To get the transcription job, the #1 site I'm going to recommend is LinkedIn. So if you're starting out, you should create a very good or a very professional profile on LinkedIn. You can also find this job on Levercount. You can also find them on Upwork, on Fiverr. The next high-paying remote job is to work as a call agent, guys. In case you've not heard, all these have been so famous, especially on TikTok, working as a call agent. Your work is answering calls, helping customers and receiving their complaints or their issues. Before you start working as a virtual call agent, you should familiarize yourself with the company, know the type of questions, know the type of issues that customers go through, and be able even to know how to handle the technical bits of those questions, and also be able to know how to direct clients when they call in. To work as a call agent, you must have very good communication skills. You also must be a good listener, and you also must be very patient, because people keep on calling because of the same issue again and again. You do not want to find yourself at a point where you're responding to clients rudely, whereas it's against the company's policy. As a call center agent, you're able to make between $250 to $500 according to your employer, according to the terms, and according to the hours you're working with. And also, if you're working for a company which is based maybe in the US or maybe in the UK, you work hourly and you're able to earn between $10 to $45 in an hour. The first site you're going to find this job is on Upwork, and also you're going to find these jobs on Fiverr. You can also find these jobs on LinkedIn. However, when you're working as a call center agent, you must be able to take care of yourself, guys, because it's very draining and you'll be receiving complaints the whole day. You must be able to differentiate between your real life and work life so that you do not bring the energy from job and your real life. Anyway guys, those are the top high-paying remote jobs that are perfect for beginners, and anyone can do them from anywhere worldwide. In case you have a question, drop it down on the comment section, guys. And also, in case you have another type of remote work that I didn't include on this list and you feel like it's perfect for beginners and they pay very well, you can list it down on the comment section. And guys, see you in my next video. Bye.